Hey guys, it's Bruno here. Welcome back. Today, I'm actually at Mateo's kitchen. It's first time here, but it's a special occasion because I wanted to try out Lady Gaga's Oreos. Now, I don't know if you can really see them here, but they're pink, and if you really look closely in the middle, it's got a green filling. So I guess these are supposed to be promoting her Chromatica album, or I don't know if it's a clothing line or something. I should have done my research before this. But in any case, we're gonna make an ice cream smoothie with them, which is gonna be really fun. So all you really need for this recipe is, of course, some Oreos. Any Oreos will really do. This is actually a traditional recipe I used to make with normal Oreos, but we're gonna give them a shot with these Lady Gaga Oreos just because I'm really curious how these are gonna turn out. And just to keep it simple, we have some vanilla ice cream. This is obviously a vegan one. It's from So Delicious. It's cashew milk based, which sounds delicious, so we're gonna do that. And then of course you need a blender of some sort. We're gonna be using the NutriBullet, I believe it is. And this is the little cup it comes with, so we're just gonna mash it all in here. And last but not least, let me grab it. A liquid beverage of your choice. I guess you can go with water, but I feel like that'd be kind of gross. So I'm gonna use some almond milk in this case, but any liquid milk will do. So let's actually just get started. All right, so you don't really need a lot for this recipe. As you can clearly see, we're gonna use 4 Oreos. This is only for a single serve, by the way, so although that might not seem like a lot, it's a lot for a single serve. And so without further ado, let's just plop these bad boys in. I'm not gonna crush them because the blender's gonna do all the work for me. Here's that creamy ice cream, if you wanna get a nice shot of that. Oh, it's so soft right now. 1 scoop will do. Like I said, this is a single serve. If this was like a full blender, maybe you could put 2. Oh, that's really good. All right, and then last but not least, the beverage. I don't know, half a cup, something like that. Basically, you want it to be a little runny. All right, and then we're just gonna take this to the blender and blend it up. Oops. If that's secure. Oh, these are. Oh. Alright, I guess. Get a close up of this. Look at that. Do you see the green and the pink? It's actually like orange now that I think about it. Is it really pink or is it orange? Huh. Okay, and so just to make this a little extra, we're gonna crush some Oreos on top. So that's why we only had like 1 or 2 inside. I think I'll just crush 1. Let's see how much crumble it gives us. I don't know if you guys can see the frosting. The frosting is holding it together, but there you go. Whatever this device is pretty good. In here, I haven't tried them yet, so let me see how the frosting is. You're right, it's like, I don't know if it's birthday cake. What is that? It's like some...
It's not as compact as the regular Oreo.
Yeah, this is... Anyway, so let's get a nice shot of this bad boy. Oh, yeah, you can see all the food dye coming in. All right, let's bring these crumbles in to the frame. Oh! I got it. Oh, guys, even chefs make a mess. Dude, it's like extra thick too. Well, actually, funny story. This was in the fridge pretty much all weekend, and my mom had like half of it or something. So I think it's extra creamy because of the fridge. I think we could have made it look a little prettier. Does it look good? You can put it into frame better if you want to. As you can clearly see, kind of looks like when you have Fruit Loops in your cereal bowl, it gets soggy and the milk turns a different color because of the cereal. That's what the Lady Gaga smoothie looks like. All right, well, bon appetit. Let's give it a test.
How is it?
I don't know. Like you said, I don't know if it's birthday cake. It kind of makes me think of animal crackers. I don't know how to describe that flavor. I guess it's partially the vanilla, right? But that's candy. Honestly, this came out really good. It's just different, and it looks like something you'd have in a cereal. Legit, it just tastes like cereal milk. Both like the super sugary animal crackers. So, final verdict. I'm not gonna lie, the Oreos are pretty good. I think they're really nice. But it's this specific brand of animal crackers that it just completely reminds me of, like those rainbow circusy ones. It reminds me exactly of that. I don't know if that's what she was going for, but the Lady Gaga Chromatica cookies, solid 8 out of 10, 7, 8 out of 10, because it passes all the barometers for being tasty and stuff. It's still quite delicious, and with this recipe that I normally do with regular Oreos, it still came out really good. Yeah, I mean, let me know what you guys think if you ever try this. Definitely check out the Lady Gaga Oreos if you're interested. If you're expecting chocolate, rest in peace. It's not chocolate at all. Let me know if you guys try it, because this was an interesting experiment. I hope you guys enjoyed listening and hearing me try this out, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
So you woke up one day, you know what, I'm tired of being a man. I want to be a liberal.
I think there are plenty of men that are liberals.
Not real men.
You really think so?
Men who are liberals are betas.
What do you mean? What is a man to you?